Good morning students. Today's class will see about introduction to digital electronics. In this video we'll see what is digital electronics, how the digital electronics is different from analog electronics, etc. So first one is analog versus digital. Why digital or analog? What all are the advantages of digital over analog? How to get digital from analog? Then how it's made and what all are the applications? So all these things we'll see in this video. So first one, what is electronics? Electronics is a branch of physics and technology concerned with the design of circuit using transistors and microchips, and with the behavior and movement of electrons in a semiconductor, conductor, vacuum or gas. This is electronics. In electronics, we have two types. One is analog electronics, second one is digital electronics. What is analog electronics? Analog electronics are electronic systems with a continuous variable signal. This point is more important, continuous variable signal. Whereas the digital electronics is also the type of electronics which make use of Boolean logic and discrete signal electronics, which will be used for devices and equipments. This is about digital electronics. In short form, we can say that analog electronics deals with a continuous variable signal, whereas the digital electronics deals with discrete signals. So this graphical representation explains how the analog and digital signal will be. So analog signals are one whose output varies continuously in step with the input. See here, this is the input and this is the output. Here there is a continuous variation. Whereas the digital signals are one whose output varies at discrete voltage level. Commonly we will name it as high or low, or 1 or 0, or we can say that on or off, true or false. Example, this is the best example for digital signal. This is the lower state and this is the high state. High state is represented as 1 and the lower state is represented as 0. Or other words, high states will be represented as on state and the lower states are represented as off state. Again, high state can be represented as true, low state can be represented as false. What is digital electronics then? As I told you earlier, digital electronics is a one which based on discrete signals. That means it has only two voltage level, high and low. Why we are preferring digitals? The data can be stored and it can be used in calculations. They are compatible with technologies and also easy to calculate, easy for calculation purpose, and the systems can be programmed. So this table explains the digital revolution, and this is about analog and this is about digital. Analog will be using landline communications. Digital will be using internet based communications. They are elementary radio navigation. Digitals are based on satellite navigation. Analog indicators will be used. Digital indicators are used so that the results are more accurate. And the process is too fast, will get the result within 1 second or 0 seconds. So why was digital electronics needed? As I told you earlier, the computation is very easy and the performance we can get as per our result. And they are easy to calculate, very fast performance. So why analog? So most real world events are analog in nature. Here also the processing is very simple and fast, but digital is little fast compared with analog. And this is a traditional technological system. And this is the best example for digital and analog. This is a digital device and this is analog. So digital will get the accuracy, in analog, so the accuracy may be lagging there. So benefits of digital over analog: reproducibility, not affected by noise, easy to design, data protection, and it is programmable, speed is very fast, and economy. So how to get digital from analog? Using sampling. So this is the best diagram which explains the sampling of how to get digital from analog. Then how it is made? As I told you earlier, it has only two voltage states, high or low. High means 5 volt, low means 0 volt. We can name it as true or false, on or off, etc. See here, plus 5 means high, 0 means low. So transistor as a switch which will be used in digital electronics. So using that we can convert into analog to digital. So what are the real-time applications of digital electronics, and what is the input and what is the output? So all these things we'll see in the next class. Thank you, students.